are you wondering why you have super greasy hair and you wash your hair every single day and you don't understand why your scalp gets really, really greasy so quickly? Well, then you are in the right place.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something.
My name is Lita. I own Tone Hair Salon in Raleigh, North Carolina. I've been doing hair for over 17 years, and I'm kind of the hair guru in my area. So I'm going to tell you guys some tips that if you have really greasy hair, how it will help with these tips on not to have greasy hair anymore. My first tip, guys, you're not going to believe this. Don't wash your hair every single day. So what's happening is that your scalp, every time you go to wash, it thinks that it needs to produce more oil. So you're in this vicious cycle of shampooing your hair and your scalp thinking, oh, I need more oil. She just took away all the oil. So then your scalp produces more. So stop. Try it out. I promise you, after about 2 to 3 weeks, your scalp will adjust. So it's not fun. Make sure you have baseball cap handy. Make sure it's maybe a time that you're at home working maybe. You're definitely gonna be greasy, but I promise you, every single time I've told one of my clients this, they are so thankful and they come in screaming, oh my God, I just went 3 days without washing my hair. And they're so excited about it because that was never something that could happen, because typically by the end of the day, they're greasy. And it is simply because you're washing your hair too often. Another tip for you guys is to make sure you're using good quality shampoo and conditioner. Make sure it's sulfate-free and paraffin-free. Those are really, really important. Sulfate is salt. So if you see in your shampoo like a 𝗧𝗢𝗡 or more drugstore type shampoos and conditioners, you're going to see that one of the first ingredients is sulfate, salt, which is drying. So your scalp is gonna produce the oil because it's already getting shampooed often, and now you're putting a sulfate full shampoo and conditioner on it. So now it's like, oh, I really need more, I need more oil. So make sure to use a sulfate-free and paraffin-free shampoo. On the same lines of that, make sure that it is from a salon, because the thing is with drugstore quality, you never really know what you're gonna get. Somebody could have went in there and got the good stuff and then went in and put the crappy things in it and returned it, and you don't know. They may have put it back on the shelf. They probably did. Another theory, and I'm not 100% sure, but this is what it is in the hair world, that a lot of those products that you find in the drugstores or like a TJ Maxx or Home Goods type place, that they're going to be expired and old. So those are other things, and you can actually check on some products. You can check the barcode, and it will somehow tell you the date. It's not going to just say the date, expiration date, but if you go into the barcode, there is a way to figure out the expiration date. I promise. Bonus for y'all. If you click on the link below, there is a free hair diagnostic test that you can take on my website. It's through a company that I hold to my heart. They're actually, they're produced here, made here in Raleigh, North Carolina. It's called 𝗧𝗢𝗡. 𝗧𝗢𝗡 is an amazing product line. I love it, love it, love it. It uses human keratin, which is unheard of. I've never seen anything like this in my 17 years of doing hair. It has changed my hair. It is super shiny and healthy now. These are extensions and stuff. My hair is like here. Anyways, it's an amazing product, and you can take the free hair diagnostic test and just kind of figure out what you need for your hair type. So again, if you're greasy, don't wash it as much. Try to use a sulfate-free, paraffin-free shampoo and use good stuff. I recommend 𝗧𝗢𝗡. And again, take that test. Doesn't cost you anything. Might as well, right? Super easy. All right, y'all, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. I'll be having more client tips and hairstyles tips here. Make sure you're following me on TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram. All right, love y'all.